Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Philips Smart TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate Disney Plus on your Philips Smart TV, start by turning on your TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Locate and open the Google Play Store on your Philips Smart TV. In the search bar, type Disney Plus and press enter. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Disney Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with options to log in or sign up. If you already have a Disney Plus account, select the Login option. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. For new users, choose the Sign Up option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After logging in, you might receive an activation code on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and go to the Disney Plus activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Click Submit to link your account. Your TV screen will refresh once your account is activated. You are now ready to enjoy Disney Plus on your Philips Smart TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.